Well, the top news that we have for you this morning relates to Rahul Gandhi, Congress MP. In fact, the language debate has been sparked off yet again after Rahul Gandhi's comment in Raebareli. Now, the leader of opposition was in his Lok Sabha constituency, and during the interaction with the students, he spoke about the significance of learning English. Now, emphasizing that English can only help people in other parts of the world. He also said that it is the biggest weapon for students. He went a step further to claim that RSS and the Bharatiya Janata Party do not want people to learn English. They want Dalits, Adivasis and the poor to prosper.
बीजेपी आरएसएस के लोग कहते हैं कि अंग्रेजी नहीं सीखनी चाहिए, मगर फिर इतने जो बच्चे हैं ये सब अंग्रेजी सीखते हैं। ये मुझे समझाओ, मोहन भागवत हर रोज कहता है कि भैया अंग्रेजी नहीं बोलनी चाहिए, हिंदी बोलनी चाहिए, मगर फिर आप आरएसएस के बच्चों को देखो, बीजेपी के लोगों के बच्चों को देखो, उनके मंत्रियों के बच्चों को देखो, इस समय इंग्लैंड जाके पढ़ रहे हैं। ये हो क्या रहा है? अंग्रेजी भैया, अंग्रेजी हथियार है। अंग्रेजी आप सीख गए तो आप कहीं भी घुस जाओ। अंग्रेजी आप सीख गए, अंग्रेजी आप सीख गए तो आप तमिलनाडु चले जाओगे, मुंबई चले जाओगे, अमेरिका तक जाओगे, जापान चले जाओगे, कहीं भी जा सकते हो, किसी भी कंपनी में काम कर सकते हो। वो चाहते हैं कि आप भैया अंग्रेजी मत सीखो, क्योंकि जहां अंग्रेजी बोली जाती है वो चाहते हैं वहां दलित ना आए, आदिवासी ना आए, पिछड़ा ना आए, गरीब जनरल कास्ट का भी ना आए। ठेका लगा हुआ है उनका। मगर अंग्रेजी आपका सबसे बड़ा हथियार है, क्योंकि अंग्रेजी आपको कहीं भी पहुंचा देगा। तो ये आपको सब कुछ मालूम होना चाहिए। अंग्रेजी जरूरी है, हिंदी भी जरूरी है।
Let me go across to Isha, who joins us live on the broadcast with more details. Isha, the language debate has started once again with Rahul Gandhi saying that English is important, but BJP is now saying that this goes completely against what the Congress leaders and Congress's allies have been saying in other states.
Right, Akanksha. So when we speak of India, the debate over Hindi position in the language row has only been erupting since the BJP government has come into power. And the BJP and the RSS, the BJP in specific has always pushed for also making sure that Hindi is taken seriously and is learnt in schools, but also giving our viewers a little bit more context. In states like Tamil Nadu, where M.K. Stalin is the chief minister, Hindi is absolutely denounced. They don't even recite the national anthem in schools. They recite the national anthem of Tamil Nadu. So there is a lot of dissent towards the Hindi language in a lot of states. And now Rahul Gandhi has come in and stated that English is imperative and you should know if you want to integrate into the real world. And if he would have stopped at that, it would have made sense. But then he also did attack the BJP. He stated that the BJP does not want Dalits and the people of the backward community to learn English because they don't want you to grow, which sort of has been taken in a poor light by the BJP, because the BJP, and which is the current government at the moment, has been making sure that there are schemes that focus on the holistic development of a student. But and even though Hindi is important, there is absolutely nothing against English. There is nothing against knowing English, and English medium schools haven't perished. So Rahul Gandhi has made this scathing attack as of now, but the BJP definitely taking offense at this, and it'll be interesting to see how the India Bloc allies actually jump in here. Will they jump in to defend Rahul Gandhi, or will they side up with the BJP here?
Well, absolutely, Isha. Stay on with us.